Let's now talk about paradigmatic and syntagmatic relationships between words. These relationships do have a close connection with the meanings of the words also. Scholars and semanticists have clearly divided these relationships into paradigmatic and syntagmatic categories, and they believe that these differences do exist and they help the learners to understand the meanings of the words. Paradigmatic relationship focuses on the relationship between the words belonging to the same grammatical category, for example, nouns, verbs, helping verbs, etc. So a word of the same grammatical category can be replaced with a word of the same grammatical category in a certain syntactical structure. So usually such change does not disturb the overall grammar of a sentence or a paragraph. These paradigmatic relationships cover a wide range of words and a wide range of associations between them. Let's have a look at one of the examples of these. If you hear the expressions, for example, red door or green door, in these two expressions, you can see that red and green can be replaced with each other. We can say alternatively in different situations, and it would not hurt the meanings of the phrase. So we can say that red and green in these expressions are in a paradigmatic relationship with each other. To Culler, paradigmatic relations are the oppositions between elements that can replace one another. So he sees it from a different angle, and he sees it as an opposition to each other, because these are in a contest with each other, these words, to replace each other. A paradigm can roughly be defined as a set of linguistic or other units that can be substituted for each other in the same position within a certain syntactic structure. In this sense, it may be constituted by all words sharing the same grammatical category. So there could be so many words who could replace a certain position in a sentence, then all those words who can possibly change for that position, they can fall, or they can be said to have a paradigmatic relationship with each other. Linguistics often refers to the paradigmatic dimension of language as the vertical axis of language, because they come down and they replace each other. For example, if you see and read the following example, the cat was sitting on the rug. So in this example, you can say that all the words included in the sentence, they may be replaced with other words. Let's see, let's take the for this example. The in the beginning of this sentence can be replaced with many other words. If you think for a moment, what could possibly be those words with which the word the can be replaced in the beginning? If you think for a while, you will see that this can be replaced with the word my cat was sitting on the rug. You could say that. It can also be replaced by their. You could say their cat. It can also be replaced by his, my, etc. Similarly, other words like cat could be replaced by dog or any other animal, and similarly, was could be replaced by is. So all these words which can be replaced with each other, they are in a kind of paradigmatic relationship with each other.